Hi guys! Welcome to Best Friend's Kitchen! If you are new to our channel, please subscribe so you will get updated for our future videos. Today, we're going to show you how to make Choco Butternut Crinkles. Before we get into this video, we just want to give a big shout out to Menz Comfort for sponsoring today's video. Menz Comfort is an online shopping site and is currently accepting orders from the US and UK. They are offering classic and affordable items like shorts, socks, underwear, belts, cups and hats, sunglasses, wallets, and watches. If you are interested, we will provide you their website link on the description box below so you can check that out. Going back to our recipe, eto nga pala yung mga ingredients na kakailanganin natin. Tara, simulan na natin! Una, isif lang natin yung all-purpose flour, sugar, at ang cocoa powder. After that, i-add nyo na yung baking powder at ang salt. I-mix nyo lang ito hanggang maging well combined. Pagkatapos, ilagay nyo na yung egg. One at a time lang ang paglagay nito. Siguraduhin nyo lang na haluin itong mabuti every time na maglalagay kayo ng isang itlog. Lastly, ilagay nyo na yung vegetable oil. Haluin nyo lang itong mabuti hanggang maging well incorporated. After that, i-cover nyo lang ito ng plastic wrap at ilagay sa fridge for 30 minutes. By the way guys, if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. Just click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Ngayon, i-prepare naman natin ang coating. Sa isang pan, mag-melt lang tayo ng butter sa mahinang apoy. Kapag completely melted na yung butter, ilagay nyo na yung all-purpose flour. Haluin nyo lang ito hanggang maging crumbly yung mixture natin. After that, i-add nyo na yung sugar at lutuin ito for 5 minutes. And lastly, ilagay nyo na yung desiccated coconut at lutuin ito for another 1 minute. Kapag luto na, hanguin lang ito sa apoy at i-transfer sa isang bowl at hayaan itong lumamig. Kapag malamig na ito, maglagay lang kayo ng orange food coloring. Mag-adjust na lang kayo ng amount ng food coloring hanggang sa makuha nyo ang desired color na gusto nyo. At ngayon, Ready na yung crinkles dough natin. Mag-scoop lang kayo ng 1 tablespoon ng crinkles dough at i-roll nyo ito gamit ang inyong mga kamay. After that, i-roll nyo lang ito sa coating natin. Make sure nyo lang na all sides are covered. Ulitin nyo lang yung same procedure hanggang ma-coat nyo lahat ng crinkle dough. Ilagay nyo lang yung mga coated crinkles natin sa isang baking sheet and bake it in a preheated oven at 190 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. So, eto na yung magiging itsura niya after baking. Kung balak nyo itong gawing pang-negosyo, pwede kayong gumamit ng plastic container para sa packaging. By the way, provide na lang namin yung costing ng recipe nito sa description box. Pakicheck nyo na lang para may idea kayo kung magkano magiging puhunan at magkano inyong kikitain. We hope that you enjoyed this video and please give us a thumbs up. You can also comment down below if you want to request recipes that we can feature on our next vlogs. Pakishare na rin ang video ito para everybody happy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys, till our next vlog.